Hey there, my fellow humans, and anybody else in a distant, faraway galaxy. We have no idea how far this internet expands, so whoever's watching this in whatever galaxy or realm you're watching this in, welcome. Hey, I got a model car, but you know that because you clicked on the video. If you clicked on the video, you probably saw the thumbnail. The thumbnail is a car, a model car that I built. Yes. So anyways, right now you're looking at a brown wall. If you Ooh, finger. Anyways, I just ET'd that. So, this time here, I built a Revell. I had a number of videos that will be linked down below of the updates. I did the Revell 1969 Dodge Super B 2-in-1 kit. This kit is super cool. This car is super cool. Did I mention this kit is super cool? Go buy yourself this kit. I know this kit's been released numerous times. It's recently released in a different box. It keeps coming out every now and then, but this kit is awesome. So this is the 2-in-1. I think the box said 2001. This was the 2001 release. It's got the cool custom version on the front. On the sides here, it shows, you can build it the standard car and the drag car. There's the cool car again, and then on the side, the standard Super B. So anyways, I did this kit. This kit came out really freaking sharp. I had a lot of fun building this kit. I have nothing bad to say about it. I did a couple customs on it, and let me show you what I did. So here is the box, and we'll do my famous countdown. A 3, a 2, a 1. Cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, a 1969 Super B. I'll let you take a quick look at this, and then I'll explain a little bit here. A little bit of what I did. And some custom stuff I did on it. Always love those stripes, especially with the Super B on the back. Alright, so first off, I painted a Rust-Oleum orange. Because you can't go wrong with a Super B in orange, figured with the black stripe. The decals actually came with the white stripe, black stripe. Also came with the flames and a bunch of sponsor decals on it. I obviously didn't use those. I just used the black stripe. Really cool. Did it Rust-Oleum orange. Obviously painted the trim work. Did the hood flat black. It comes with two hoods. It comes with the regular hood and the open hood here. Obviously up with that. Black washed the front grille. Painted the lights up there, the turn signal amber. The rear lights. Did it the stoplight red and then the white. And then black washed it. It's not my best black washing job, I'll tell you that right now. I had a little problems with it actually staying in there. The decal that came with it had a little bit of a lip on the edge here. It's not fully smooth. It's two separate decals. You can see right in the middle here where you line it up. Doesn't look bad either way. Interior. Tester's flat tan. Some brown accents on the door, dashboard. Painted at Tester's wood. The steering wheel, I mean. Painted at Tester's wood. Did some silver details in there. The engine is pretty cool. Let's open this up. Painted the hood flat black. Did the big custom engine on it. The focuses, there we go. Just painted it Sunburst Orange, Model Master Sunburst Orange. I kept a lot of the chrome because I thought that looked cool because it's a custom engine. Did my standard, there we go, did my standard interstate battery. The tank here is molded into the car. Okay, a little slip up there on the white. Brake booster is separate. Spin this around here. The radiator was like 3 separate pieces, but that's okay. Came out pretty decent. This kit goes together very, very extremely well. I decided since I was doing it the custom with the nice engine coming out there, carburetors. I decided wasn't going to use these the tires that came with the kit or the wheels that came with the kit. It comes with two sets of wheels. It comes with the dish wheels and then the regular Super B wheels. So what I did was I went through my stash and I found the AMT Goodyear blue line drag slicks, and the front wheels are actually white walls off of a 1950 AMT pickup truck. So they're a little thinner. There's the slicks. And then I found the bunch of Steelies, painted them aluminum, and I went with that. So, a little different. Those don't come with the kit. Like I said, I believe that's all AMT stuff. But hey, that's why we have spare parts, right? Because it's cool. And everything fit in perfectly. I made it work. Minimal work to get it in there. The big drag slicks actually fit in the wheel wells. The bottom, nothing special. Just semi-gloss black, silver paints, gold, steel for the drive shaft. Nothing special. Just pick it out. And then I did a dry brush of silver across the lightly across the raised portions, just to give it a little depth. This kit just falls together. This is a really, really, really good kit. I really had a lot of fun with this kit. Goes together really well. I have nothing negative to say about it. The only thing I had problems with was the back here, this back light section here. The way it goes into the body, mine kind of fell backwards a little bit. I didn't want to mess with it because the way the glue kind of molded it with the body. It's in there. It's fine. The Dodge decals actually came off the Revell 1968 Dodge Dart kit. I found those really super cool. That Dart kit's a really good kit too, if you guys ever get a chance for that one. But yeah, I have nothing negative to say about this. This kit went together really well. If you find one, go get yourself one. If you built it, you already know how much fun it is. So, guys, ladies, space creatures, and everybody else in between, buy yourself one of these kits. This is the 1969 Revell Dodge Super B. That's my review of it. Hey, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, take care of yourselves and take care of everyone else. See you later.